Come on, quick, let's cross over. No one here. Run, Jim Bob, run! That looks nice, doesn't it? Well, the sun's just going down behind the hills.
Oh, that flag though.
Yeah, look how nice the views are from here. Look at that.
It looks like I've bloodied up my hand, but it's actually this big.
I'm gonna go and find the waterfall.
Oh, I reckon that might be the way to the waterfall.
I reckon that is a cool little arches. Oh, watch the cattle goods. This is special if you're not watching. Riada. I don't know where that one goes up there. It's a little bit further up the hill. There's a little sign here. So it looks like we're going this way. Look at them views. I know they're a bit blocked, but that's still awesome. Not saying the way is muddy, Jim Bob. Or that I'm going to walk straight through the middle because I've got 4x4 shoes on. What I am. It does seem legit.
Yeah, I've got 4x4 shoes on.
You got It's a lot closer than I thought it was going to be. Just on the other side of this.
Cheating. Walk straight through because my shoes are cold.
4x4 shoes, James. I knew they'd come in handy. This is nice. Look at that moss, James. What a friggin' view. Pumping some water through that. Look at that. That is mint. Yeah. How white that water is. Hey, we never had a look at this. Oh, look at that in distance. Get in. That water's crystal clear, James. Literally crystal clear. If you look in this ravine, moss all over it. It's constantly wet, like a little tropical. It's weird. That pool. That's a good few feet deep, that. See straight down. This beast. That beast. This is just something else. It's just how's he? No swimming, no bathing. No thank you. This has got to be one of the best that we've been to, isn't it? Definitely is, James.
Sticky.
Awesome spot. That's it, we're off now. Go and get something to eat and head home. That little bird then, James, two of them. That for a pass. Look like they're falling in there. And look at that mountain in the background.